Well, I'm me, and there's no one I'd rather be. You can sit around and wait and see. For a moment I'll be standing free. So hurry up and wait for me. Got a bag of chips by the sea. The sun is blazing down. I've got my smile now. Here's the thing, your chips will really make me sing. Come on, relax and have some chips with me. Chill out, lay back, I'm right where I wanna be. We've got time to take it easy. You always tell me to speed up but slow down. I've been kicking my feet up and just going to town. A bag of chips in hand, I got nothing planned, yeah. Good treats by the sand, you know I wanna chow down. Oh yeah, so when you ask me if I'm gonna change, and there's no one I'd rather be. You can sit around and wait and see. For a moment I'll be standing free. So hurry up and wait for me. Got a bag of chips by the sea. The sun is blazing down. I've got my smile now. Here's the thing, your chips will really make me sing.
Hello, boss. Ayun. Ayun yung aso ko, boss. Wala. Wala. Hindi na naka-recover. Namatay sa kaninang tanghali. Kakapalipilo namin yung gabi. Rinig ko po ba ako, Lebras?
Please ban a hero.
Layo mo yung isa. Ano po? Laro agad, parang wala nangyari. Okay, parang wala nangyari. Emil agad eh. Oo nga, mga nakakain na ba lahat? Hello po, Sir Reds. Pagaling na, sabi ni Sir Reds. Salamat po. Natatakot naman. Pero dito, mag-isa lang ako dito. Nako, yari ka dyan. Nakatakot maglaro ng horror game pag mag-isa lang. So, kotse, muted pala ako. Oo nga, muted ka. Mukhang natatrash to ka sa mga last game mo.
Please pick a hero.
Last pick.
少し乱暴しようか。
I will choose my own path.
The enemy is picking.
Shall
And the
bathe in their
legend of
blood.
Zlatan.
Please
The
pick a
light
hero.
belongs to the righteous.
Sniper ready. Give me a target.
I am more than
The
a
enemy
weapon.
is picking.
Okay lang naman bukas. Bukas ilaw. Bukas ilaw. Super team tayo ngayon. Eh, Bas, kahit na nakabukas ilaw, nakatakot yan, promise.
Pick a hero.
It is who we are.
Naku, nakuha yung hero natin.
Tremble before the might of Taurus!
Tumabas ngayon. Kompleto ang super team. Yan, Chris. Ano na? Ang creepy mo, gagi. Muntik na masira. Diyos ko. Nakuha ka talaga na, Brad.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
This battle will be glorious! My rage burns like the Alpha Star! I have waged wars across the stars! My fury cannot be quelled!
Enemies missing! Enemies missing!
Mamatay na ako, guys. Thank you.
First blood!
Nice.
Double kill! Triple kill!
Yay! Galing ng kasama ko ngayon, ah. Pwede na kahit nakapigit na lang ako. Siguro.
Moment of rest. Crush them to stardust!
Initiate retreat!
Dalaban mo daw ba yung damit niyan kanina?
Let their resolve break upon my armor.
Mega kill!
Nung kailangan ko na nasamahan yung MM, ah.
Initiate Initiate retreat. Ult is not ready.
Ay, meron pa lang turtle. Sorry guys, sorry.
Request backup.
Astreus, watch over me.
An ally has slain the turtle. Launch attack.
Guided by the stars.
Initiate retreat.
Aldebaran shines bright.
Initiate retreat. Enemy missing.
Seal your resolve.
Initiate retreat. Request backup. Initiate retreat.
Cosmic. This hammer was forged by the light of the cosmos.
Enemy missing. Initiate retreat. Ult is ready. Initiate retreat.
Seal your resolve.
An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. Monster kill. Battle sounds ready.
Unleash my celestial fury.
Request backup. You have slain an enemy.
You are not worthy of ascension.
Attack the turtle.
Pero, nakapak na lang ako.
Seal your resolve.
Gather up the turtle.
O daw si Nagi at least sa bata nakita ko si Tweet ako mo dahil doon. Sino po?
Slain the turtle.
Si Ape.
Seal your resolve.
Ally has been slain.
Ingat ba ba oh?
Attack.
Dami oh.
Request backup.
Unleash my celestial fury.
Nagtawag na kaya mo na.
Retreat.
Astreus, watch over me. Seal your resolve.
Request backup.
Was forged by
Understood.
the light of the cosmos.
Launch attack. Initiate retreat. Godlike. Ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. Oh, not ready. Attack.
This cannot be.
Destroy the turret. Request backup.
Sino si Ape? Madungos. Oh, what's up?
Ult is ready. Battle attack.
Opo.
An enemy has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret. An ally has slain the turtle.
My rage is cosmic.
Battle spell is ready. Your team destroyed a turret. Battle spell is ready. Our turret has been destroyed. Attack! Legendary double kill. Your team destroyed a turret. Our turret has been destroyed. Initiate retreat. Enemy melee.
Ano, wala ka ng talon ngayon.
You have been slain.
Hintay ako. Walang SS?
Ult is not ready.
Sayang. Mas mag-heal ko ng RH.
Ally has been slain.
Ako. Ganon! Sabi ni Hitori. What's up, Hitori? Welcome sa akin live. Pa-like and share na lang, no?
Seal your resolve. Aldebaran shines
Gather up the Lord.
Mamaya mag-review tayo ng mga nag-follow para ma-follow back naman natin. Spot shot ako top.
my fury cannot be quelled.
Legendary.
I was expecting a rematch.
Mukha ba natin?
I was expecting
Joan.
Kill. Initiate backup.
Nice. Baba, baba! Ako, patay tayo dyan.
Been destroyed.
Sana all.
Sorry.
Bodyguard pala yung artista niya, guys.
reborn in
Initiate retreat.
Sige, sabay natin. Ito.
Request backup.
Wala pa naman magandang set yung ano nila.
Backup.
Madami tayo.
Request backup. Team destroyed. Turret has been slain.
Naku. Nakapasok ba?
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Naku. Bak na, bak na. Ano?
this cannot be.
Ay, crush ko. Hero you love. Basta. Hindi ko kaya thumbs. Kaya patap.
Slain.
Hirap na namin. Pustang baba mo na.
Reborn in Starfire.
Grabe siya, oh. Ang ganyan Rio Lab. May labaw sa inyo.
Has been slain.
Try na natin yan. Habulin nyo.
Attack! Initiate retreat.
Aldebaran shines bright. Seal your resolve.
Hindi na talaga mauna natin yung ano.
Request backup.
Tamos saka ano. Tara ko. Ano tayo?
Attack the Lord.
Stay lang sa baba isa.
This hammer was forged by the light of the cosmos.
Enemy missing.
My shield your resolve.
Oh, ano kaya ngayon? Nangyari? Pupush na namin to, syempre. Huwag mo pauwiin yan, ha? Huwag mo pauwiin. Huwag mo pauwiin. Nice.
Into the fray.
Yay! Panis.
Victory.
At saan ako, siya wala eh. Siyempre, malakas tayo kasi kasama natin si Lalax eh. Huwag ka na magpabuhat. Mas mabigat ako eh.
You can sit around and wait and see for a moment.
Yes, atin ang Lord Stars.
Free. So
Magbababa tayo. Wala pa naman.
bag of chips by the sea. The sun is blazing down.